Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are backstage at the Texture Beauty Jam in New York City during New York Fashion Week, and look who I found. She was running by me, and I said, "Oh, we're doing something." So it's Monae Everett, who is one of our favorite people. She's a celebrity stylist, award-winning, and you're performing tonight, correct?
I am performing. I am so happy to be here tonight at the Texture Beauty Jam.
Yay! All right. So tell us. I asked you, can you give us a tip of the day? So what do you want to talk to us about?
I want to talk about the placement of the perfect pony. I am telling you here and now, 2020 is the year of the perfect ponytail. In order to get that ponytail right, find something on the face that you love and accentuate it. Look at this beauty's cheekbones. Look at this. So for her ponytail, I'm going to follow the cheeks straight on up, turn for them, and place it right here at the top. That's going to act as a facelift. It's going to lift her brows, and it's going to hit her in just a way that it always looks amazing.
All right. And what are you doing with these isolated pieces?
Those isolated pieces are going to be the front. At the Texture Beauty Jam, I'm going to show you how to really dress up long hair in easy ways. You don't have to know how to braid, but we're going to have some fun in the front. We're going to have you really smooth hair with some accessories and give you that perfect set. With 2020 being the year of the ponytail, that doesn't mean you forget about cosmetology fundamentals. You got to have that curl right. You got to have movement. So every which way she turns her head, she looks amazing.
Okay, so here's the stumper. I wear a ponytail all the time. It's not just 2020. It's 2018, 2019, 2022. Where would you place the ponytail on me?
Okay, this is not a stumper, and I have thought about this because I'm always staring at Maggie like, oh, look at these cheekbones. She has great cheekbones too. I would take it directly up, right here, so she's very close, but I would give her a little bit more height.
Oh, light.
May I touch your hair?
You may go.
Consent is important. I would lift it more like that. Do you see how her face automatically lifted? We don't want to lose the ponytail behind the bangs.
So instead of going to a plastic surgeon, I just have to have a tighter, higher.
Tighter, higher ponytail. But you know what? If you're tender-headed like me and you can't take tight hair, there are cheats you can use with like little micro braids to lift the hair too, so that you don't have to pull so tight. Because no one wants to walk around with a headache.
Oh, I love that. So I'm going to do my I Dream of Jeannie as soon as I get out of here. Monae, thank you so much and have fun tonight. How do we follow you?
You can follow me at Monae Artistry, and I always have classes, and I talk about it on my Instagram at Monae Artistry.
Terrific. Thanks so much. Thanks for giving us this time tonight.
Thanks for having me. I got to end it with a hug.
Oh, I love that. Love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.